Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Precision in steam generation depends entirely on the seamless coordination between fuel flow and air supply, and at the center of this balance sits the Automatic Combustion Control actuator. These mechanical muscles translate electronic or pneumatic commands into physical movement, adjusting the dampers and fuel valves that dictate the boiler's fire. Overhauling an AC actuator is a task that requires a blend of mechanical patience and technical accuracy to ensure the ship remains efficient and safe. Before any work begins, switch the boiler control system to manual mode and isolate the power or air supply to the actuator. Secure the fuel valves and air dampers in a safe position using mechanical locking pins or chains to prevent them from moving once the actuator linkage is disconnected. Start the overhaul by carefully marking the position of the linkage arms and the length of the connecting rods using a scribe or permanent marker. This step is vital because even a millimeter of deviation during reassembly can throw off the entire combustion curve, leading to soot or high oxygen levels in the exhaust. Disconnect the linkages and check the spherical bearings and clevis pins for signs of ovality or seizing. If the joints are loose, the resulting hysteresis will cause the control system to hunt, making it impossible to maintain a steady steam pressure. Moving to the actuator itself, remove the external housing to access the drive mechanism. For pneumatic actuators, inspect the internal diaphragms for thinning or microcracks, and check the cylinder walls for scoring that could cause air bypass. If the actuator is electric, examine the drive gears for chipped teeth and clean away any old hardened grease that might be causing excessive drag on the motor. Check the limit switches and the feedback potentiometer, which tells the controller exactly where the valve is positioned. Any flickering or dead spots in the potentiometer signal will lead to erratic boiler behavior. Clean the electrical contacts with a specialized spray and ensure all wire terminations are tight and free of corrosion. Replace all internal seals, O-rings, and gaskets to ensure the unit remains weather-tight in the demanding engine room environment. Apply a fresh coat of high-quality lubricant to the gear train and moving pivots as specified by the manufacturer. During reassembly, ensure the feedback arm is perfectly centered and that the actuator moves smoothly through its full stroke without binding or jumping. Once the unit is mounted back in place, reconnect the linkages according to your original marks and perform a stroke test in manual mode. Observe the movement from 0 to 100%, looking for linear and repeatable action. After confirming mechanical integrity, restore power and perform a calibration of the feedback signal to align the local position with the control room display. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.